In Caseflow, all client data, whether they're new leads or existing clients, start in the contacts board. You can add clients manually, through a form, or by importing their information. Each entry captures key details like names, phone numbers, language preferences, locations, and how they found your firm. Every case and deal must be connected to a contact, so it's important to maintain accurate information here. For example, let's add a new contact, John Doe. Once John's details are entered, he's part of your system and ready for next steps. If John's spouse, Jane Doe, is also a client, we can add her as a contact too and link them together through the accounts board. This way, we can see their relationship as the Doe family. The contacts board gives you a full picture of each client. When you open John's profile, you'll see his deals, cases, emails, and notes all in one place. With the Emails and Activities feature, you'll be able to see a timeline of all email communications to and from your clients, as well as track important notes and updates, giving you a complete timeline of all events throughout the lifetime of your relationship. See yourself working faster with Caseflow? Please reach out to the Caseflow team to schedule a demo today.